First Warn 5 weather with Matt Holliner.
6:43 this morning, and check out the desert Southwest. Yeah, this is the time of year where there's actually rain out in the desert. This is the monsoon season. They actually saw some damaging wind in parts of Arizona yesterday. I think it's going to be more routine showers and thunderstorms today, and that continues into Southern California. All places famous for all the sunshine, nice weather, but every now and then they do get some rain as well. I think the severe weather threat's going to be more up to the north in parts of North Dakota, Montana today. Notice actually a lot of the country under high pressure, not much is going on. In our area, I do think actually today is our best chance of rain for the next 7 days, and by best chance of rain, I still don't think it's going to be a very wet day, but we're seeing more activity than we did yesterday morning out in the Gulf, and that's a sign of things to come. I think later on this morning we're going to see some showers and storms popping up in our area, and that'll continue through the afternoon. I think the key time for us is around 10 a.m. I think that's when we're going to start to see a few of those showers and storms, probably starting in the lower valley first, and then we'll transition into the upper valley. Around 10 a.m. temperatures will be in the mid-80s. Notice at 2 o'clock. It'll all depend on if you have a shower or thunderstorm over you. You're either going to be in the 90s at 2 o'clock, or perhaps with a little bit of rain cooled air, you'll be in the upper 80s or mid-80s, just depending on how close that rain does get to you. By the time we get to 6 o'clock, I think all the rain is over with, and by that point, even if you do cool down, the temperatures will be able to rebound pretty quickly because these are going to be passing showers and storms. Notice all the 90s still showing up at 6 o'clock. Now, overnight, I think we'll cool down into the mid-70s. I do think it's going to be quiet overnight, no rain in the forecast. Tomorrow afternoon, I do think it is going to be hotter because look at 2 o'clock tomorrow. Not as much going on. Yeah, there could be a stray pop-up shower storm, particularly in the lower valley, but notice all the places they'll be getting into the mid-90s, maybe even the upper 90s out in Starr County. Jump ahead now to Thursday morning, same thing, starting out in the mid-70s. I think we're completely dry on Thursday. None of the models kicking out any chance of rain right now, and that should allow things to be about a degree warmer in more places. Notice upper 90s in more places like McAllen, Edinburgh, and then mid to low 90s as you get out towards the coast. All right, so for today, 92. This looks like our coolest day, too, with our best rain chance, but notice I didn't put the rain icon in there because much of the day is just going to be partly to mostly cloudy. Isolated showers and storms, about a 20% chance, and a typical breeze for this time of year, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Winds will die down tonight, around 5 miles per hour. Really, much of the night is going to be mostly clear, maybe becoming partly cloudy very late. And 75, that is a normal low temperature for this time of year, in the mid-70s. Tomorrow we're going to go with a 10% chance of showers and storms. Notice in general a little bit more sun, and that's why our temperatures are going to go back to normal for this time of year in the mid-90s. I think we're completely dry on Thursday. There are a couple models that are kicking out some sea breeze showers and storms for Friday, maybe bringing the sea breeze back on Friday. We'll keep an eye on that. Right now, it looks like Saturday and Sunday are going to be dry, partly cloudy on Saturday, mostly sunny on Sunday. And notice I put the breezy wording back in there. Yeah, technically there's going to be a little bit of a breeze for the rest of the week, but I really think you're going to start to notice those wind gusts in particular, stronger wind gusts Sunday, Monday, and notice with even more sun, our temperatures will climb back into the upper 90s.